boys, girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a great song from LANY. Always happy to present LANY for you guys. And this time we have a song called When Did You Stop Loving Me? When did you stop loving me, guys? I hope not, because I'm working hard for you guys, so I want you to be kind of incorporated into this family and learn songs, mostly new here on this channel. So yeah, thank you for support so far. Now let's focus on this song. We have no need for any capo. We're gonna work with a couple of bar chords. So let's dive right into that world of chords. We're gonna start with C sharp minor. Okay, so we're gonna have a bar on this 4th fret, 5 strings, the first 5 from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th B. We can go off to this G sharp minor, since we are in the bar world. So you have again a bar on the 4th fret, this time over all strings. On this 4th fret, this is the G sharp minor, by the way, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. G sharp minor like that. Then we have the B sus4. We're gonna go with the open fashion. So normally that is a bar again on the 2nd fret. This time no, you just have to hold down that 2nd fret A string, and then 4th D, 4th G, open B, and open E. B sus4 like that. Then we have the A sus2. So again, you get that open airy feeling from that chord. So it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, open E, and finally we have that E. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so to handle these chords, let's go and grab that first C sharp minor chord and play like this. Very simple, 4 downs, and you have to, or if you can, it's great if you can emphasize the 3rd down. So you play on the bass strings, and then on that 3rd down, you go down on the higher strings down here, and back to the bass on the 4th. So bass, bass, top bass. Alright, so let's start with the first verse. We have 2 halves, so to speak. So the first half will be C sharp minor 2, A sus 2, G sharp minor 2, and E2. That's the first half. The second half starts in the same way, so it's a C sharp 2, A sus 2, G sharp minor 2, and then B sus 2. So the last chord is E in the first half and B sus in the second half. So let's play one full verse together. C sharp, A, G sharp, E, C sharp, A, G sharp, and B. Alright, so you're gonna play that exactly as I just did for the first verse. Then comes a pre-chorus. At like 55 seconds in, you're gonna play C sharp 2, A sus 2, G sharp 2, and B sus 2. That's it. So that's gonna take you to the first chorus at 1 minute and 4 seconds in. So you have again that kind of 2 halves played. So the first half goes C sharp minor 2, A sus 2, E2, and G sharp minor 2. Okay, then the second half will be C sharp 2, A sus 2, so far the same, then G sharp 2, and B sus 2. You're gonna play that once, all that. So both halves goes like this. Second half. And that's it for the first round, the first chorus, and let's jump into the second round of everything. It's pretty much repetition, guys. So the second verse played exactly the same way as just you played a minute ago, the first verse, and the second pre-chorus is also repetition. And from now on, you have to play that chorus. With that second chorus, the bridge, the outro, and everything, I think you're gonna play it for 8 full rounds. Just play it the same over and over again, and that is actually how it ends. So, LANY's "When Did You Stop Loving Me?" Not why or if, when. So I hope not that will be a reality for us, guys. Love our relationship. So thank you for the support so far. Hope to see you soon. Until next time.